I'd like to show you how to make very simple Russian salad. It's very healthy. As you see, it's contain only 4 ingredients, and you can put it different way. You can put it in transparent bowl like this, or you can put it mix up together and put it in one bowl. This way or this way. And it's very simple. So you can see this 4 ingredients. It's sucre, I like 14%, rose radish, green onion, dill, and cucumber. You can add any other ingredient, not a lot, but maybe 1 or 2 more. And it's very healthy. This salad will contain 100 grams of salad, will contain 243 milligrams of potassium, 23 milligrams of vitamin C, 20 milligrams of calcium, and 1.5 grams of fiber. And imagine it will have only 15 kilocalories. Have a good appetite. Enjoy your Russian simple summer salad on January.